Hi everybody, it's Miranda here doing life, and today in my life, I am way behind on Boxycharms. I have one from April, and I have a Boxycharm Premium from May. So if you want to see what's in them, stick around.
There must be another way, there must be conscience, different things in different ways. There must be love, there must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way.
Okay, one of them I did peek, but to be honest, I have no idea what's in it. I do not remember. I slid it open to see if something that Pam was asking me if I got, and I opened it to see, and then I never opened it again. I was just busy. So let's see. I don't know which one is which. Yeah, I have no idea actually. There's no card in this one. What's up with that? Boxycharm, no card whatsoever. All right, well, I guess we're winging it, and I'll put what I can find across the top of the screen. All right, this first thing is from Skin & Co. It's the Truffle Therapy Restructuring Truffle Eye Contour Concentrate. I know white boxes are hard to see. What? Okay, do you guys see this? Big old box, little bitty product. I don't understand. Just save the money and either give us more product or get a smaller box. This is kind of stuff that annoys me, but let's see, open it up. Yeah, look, there's like this huge, can you see in there? There's a huge air bubble right down to the bottom. All right, I have makeup on, so I can't see how it feels on my eyes, but it's nice and creamy. And there's not a whole lot of scent. It's just like a very light moisturizer scent to it. All right, I have no idea what that's worth. The next thing I'm gonna pull out is it's Sugar Rush by Tarte. It says Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. And peony. Oh, that's cute. Look at that little container right there. I love the little flower bud. That's really pretty. It's a little bitty thing, but I'm gonna tell you, lip balms seem to last forever. I use the Laneige sleeping mask every night, and I feel like that thing lasts months and months, and I slap it on really good. So that's what it looks like inside. Doesn't have any scent to it. All right. Do you see? I see a pattern here of really big Boxycharm box and little bitty products. What's up with that? This is from Milk Makeup. It is a Glow Oil Lip and Cheek, a sheer blush and lip stain packed with hydrating rice bran oil for a shimmering wash of color in the color Flare, I think. That's so teeny. Look, there's a little bitty instruction sheet right there. Itty bitty. Like, there's my thumb. It's so small. Okay. Definitely had to put on my glasses to read that. Ah. Alright, there's something. How do I get this off the top? Oh, there we go. Alright, so that's what it looks like. I do have lipstick on. It's pretty. It's a really, I don't even know if you can see it. There you go. It's a really light pink color, so that might work on my cheeks. I had gotten some kind of cheek something from what was it? Bombay and Cedar Beauty. It was orange. I could not put that on my lips or my cheeks. So I like that one. All right. We also have a Too Faced Natural Matte eyeshadow palette. This is what makes the Boxycharm Premium boxes. I mean, you pay $35 and you get about $175 worth of product, but there is usually some kind of a nice showstopper in there, as I call them. And this time, it's an eyeshadow palette. So let's look and see what that looks like. There are the colors that I got right there. And it has a nice big mirror. Usually they smell. It smells a little bit like cake frosting. Maybe a little hint of cocoa. All right, this one I probably won't swatch and wear until the fall, but they are very pretty fall colors. Wish I knew what it was worth. All right, then I am pulling out something from Kat Von D. It's a 24-hour super brow long wear pomade. Now, brown pomades scare me just a wee bit, just because we got a brow pomade. I don't even remember what it was called, where it was from, but it was terrible. It was so dry that you couldn't even begin to put it on your brows. But this one is in a medium brown, so it's perfect for me. And the top is really cute. It's a big thing of brow pomade. So hopefully this works and it's not like super dried out. And then the last thing in this box is the Pure Heals by Natural Village Centella 90 Ampoule. A soothing ampoule which contains Centella Asiatica extract. It relieves irritations of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. After cleansing, even out skin tone with a toner and apply a moderate amount of product onto the face. Gently pat for better absorption. Okay. That's still a little sticky. What was it I put on? Oh yeah, the truffle. Maybe it wouldn't be on your eyes, I don't know. But that's a nice big bottle of product right there. 30 ml. Let's see if it has any kind of smell. Yeah, it has almost like an essential oil smell. Let's just put a little on my arm. Feels nice. As long as the oil doesn't like leave my skin super oily, I don't mind it, but I do use an oil most every night. Actually, I was using the one from Sunday Riley and I just finished it, so I needed a new oil. So I'm happy to try that. All right, well, there is the Foxy Premium for, I don't know what month. Maybe when I open this box, I'll know what month. All right, throw that over there. This one does have a card, maybe, right here. No, that's an advertisement for a makeup eraser, which I already have and I do love. All right. The first thing I'm gonna pull out of this one is the IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. And it's vegan, cruelty, gluten-free, innovative bonding polymers heat activated spray for frizzy, dry, or curly hair. If you want a sleek and smooth, frizz-free, high shine hair, faster styling time. You mist it over your damp hair or dry hair in sections and then comb through. All right, well, I will try that and see. Of course, I'm wearing my hair up most of the time because the hot flashes right now at summertime they're beating me, I'll tell you that. All right, I am pulling out something from Cover FX, Water Cloud Primer plus Pollution and Blue Light Defense. Okay. So that's what the thing looks like. Hopefully you can see. All right. A weightless cooling mousse that refreshes skin and helps defend against pollution and blue light rays, creates an ultra smooth canvas for flawless makeup application. Perfect for all skin types. Okay. I love a good primer. It does have safety seal. Oh, it's white. I wasn't expecting that. A lot of times primers are like tinted. So I'm looking forward to trying this. Of course, there's no card in here, like I said, so I don't know what anything costs, but you will, because I'll put it across the screen if I can find it. All right. This is the oil that Pam was asking me if I got. So I believe that this box is the April box, because I think it's been a while since she asked me that. This is by M. Green Grass. Beach Air fragrance inspired by Greece. That is like my tippy top places I want to go is Greece. Bergamot, citrus, white jasmine, Brazilian softwoods, heliotrope, and musk. Multi-use for body, face, and hair? No way. All right, let's just spritz a little bit of this. I've got some peeling right here. Maybe it'll help that. Ooh, that feels good. That feels, smells good too. I think she told me she loved hers. But, oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Is my skin all nice and glowy and shiny there? Yeah. All right, cool. I don't know if I'll put it in my hair, but I love it on my body. All right, next thing I'm pulling out is a nude stick, magnetic lip plush paints. And the color is Waikiki Rose. Oh, it's got a little wand. Okay. This looks like a color I would wear. It's kind of wet feeling, so that's nice. Sometimes paints feel a little bit more like mud. Ooh. I'll put it on my hand for you so you can see. That's a pretty color. I like that. Then, ooh, something by Pharmacy. It's a honey potion, renewing antioxidant hydration mask. Pharmacy products are amazing. Really, really amazing and good price. Ooh, I love their packaging. It's very like all natural. It just has that natural vibe. That's really pretty. I love the wood, and it comes with a little spatula, which is metal. I wonder what it smells like. Doesn't really smell like anything, unless my smeller's broken, and it shouldn't be. I thought it might smell like honey, but it looks like honey. All right, I am curious to try that. I love the packaging, and I love Pharmacy products. All right, and then we have, I think, one more item in here. Yes, one more item, and that is a Natasha Danone blush duo. See if I can open the box without destroying it. Probably not. Ooh, I did, actually. Pretty package, nice and pink. Natasha Danone, man, she puts out some nice, lovely colors. And even if I don't want to use it like on my face, could even use it on my eyes. They are really pretty. Let's just take a little swatchy poo there. Doesn't show up very much. All right, I was in the middle of doing the swatch, and my camera just decided it didn't have any more memory, so I had to fix it. All right, so swatching this again, there's not a lot of color payoff on this one. Very soft looking though. I don't know, maybe it'll build up, but there's not a lot of color payoff, so I don't know about that, but it's usually a really good product. All right, I am very sorry once again that I have been not so great at filming videos lately, but I'm back at it. So June will be back to normal after I get all of these other videos all caught up. I do have regular Boxycharms that I'm gonna open from April and May as well. All right, I hope everybody has a lovely day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you in my next video.